Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to share unbiased rcreationlink.com reviews. Friends, let me tell you that this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this video will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I will share the way to get your money back. So, let's get started. rcreationlink.com is gaining the attention of the individuals in the United States. And this is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that the products available are Sony PlayStation, Nintendo Joy-Con, Microsoft Xbox, and so forth. And friends, the prices of the products are too good to believe. Now, let's check the other information related to payments. So, customers can pay through PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, Visa cards, and cash on delivery. Let's check the shipping information now. So here we can see that the shipping time along with shipping cost is directly stated. The shipping fee is $10 in the United States, and worldwide they offer free standard shipping over $40. And it takes 1 to 5 weeks for your orders to arrive in the United States. Before going further, friends, I request you to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spread to make more such informative videos for our viewers. Now, let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, rcreationlink.com have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the site is safe, which is a good sign. And talking about the registration date of the domain name, so it was created on 8th December 2020. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new. Now, let's take a look at About Us section to know more about this website. So, we can see that there is no About Us section available here. So, let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here on the official page, company's address, its contact number and email ID is accessible, which is service@fungaming.online. And friends, when we tried to verify the company's address on Google, we found that it is a residential address. Now let's have a look on the return policies. So, 14-day warranty is applied while 30-day warranty is applied to free repair. And refund will be initiated within 5 working days, either in the original payment method or in PayPal account. Friends, if you have any queries regarding return refund, do mention us in the comment section below. And talking about the rcreationlink.com reviews, guys, we could not find even a single review neither on the official website nor on other reliable platforms. Also, rcreationlink.com do not have presence on social media platforms. So, lack of About Us section, incorrect company's address, unavailability of rcreationlink.com reviews led us to believe that this is a suspicious website. Therefore, in the final conclusion, I would suggest our viewers to stay away from such scam websites. However, if you have ordered anything from this site, do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. And if you have any money related problems, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Friends, Please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you guys, you have been a great audience. Stay safe, stay informed.